Well, I noticed that we haven't done 7e, so let's just get this ready by drawing up a y-axis, because I want to draw it, and an x-axis, and to show you what it will look like. 7e. It passes through the point 4, 8. So let's find 4, 8. There's 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's lucky. There's 4, 8, just fit. And it's perpendicular to the line y equals 2x, y plus 2x equals 7. Now, I'm going to make this y equals negative 2x plus 7, because then I can see that the gradient is negative 2, and it crosses the y-axis at 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Goes down 2 across 1, down 2 across 1, down 2 across 1. Right, so if I join these points with a straight line, that's the line which we have to be perpendicular to this line here. So we have to draw a line, it's perpendicular to that line. So at right angles to that line is perpendicular. Now, what has a gradient at right angles? If the gradient is negative 2, if the gradient is negative 2 over 1, then perpendicular gradient, I'll put perpendicular gradient, will be 1 over 2, positive. So if this line goes down 2 across 1, a line perpendicular, let's take any point, let's take down here, will go up 1 across 2. Up 1 across 2. So if we join any line that has a gradient of a half, then this line here will be at perpendicular. But it has to pass through this point up here, which means this is the line we want. It's going to go up 1 across 2. Oh, we can see it's going to cross at 6. So by our graph, we can say its gradient is going to be a half, because it's perpendicular to that yellow line or the original line. It crosses at the point y-axis equals 6. That's the y-intercept. We can see on our graph it's going to cross at 6. So the equation is, using y equals mx plus c, y equals a half x plus 6. And there is the equation of the line that we want. Now, let's say we didn't know it crossed at 6. Let's just show you over here. If we know the gradient is going to be a half, and we know the point is at 4, 8, there is a rule which is the point. Oh, how do I get back? I don't know how to get back. Oh, there it is. There is what's called the point gradient method. Point gradient method that I've done in a previous example. Point gradient method is like the gradient rule y minus y1 over x minus x1 equals m. But we don't start there. We take this bracket and we put it up here and multiply it. So actually, we don't start there, we start here. Y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. And that's the rule that that we use for a point gradient method. You can go straight to that. So our point y minus 8 equals m, a half, x minus 4. Bring the 2 up, multiply it by this side, double everything over here, and that's taking that divide 2 up here to be multiplied by 2. And we're just left with x minus 4. And we can take that minus 16 to the other side to be plus 16. We've got 2y equals x minus 4 plus 16 is plus 12. If you want to divide everything by 2, you can. Y equals a half x plus 6, kind of up to you. But both ways we've got y equals half x plus 6. I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.